Hello artists, today we're going to be drawing a Squishmallow penguin.
Squishmallow.
Squishmallow. Yeah.
It's a Squishmallow.
It's not Squishymallow, it's Squishmallow. We've had a bit of a debate whether it's called Squishmallow or Squishymallow. I think it's Squishmallow.
Not Squishymelon.
Yeah.
I said Squishmallow.
You said Squishymallow, I said Squishmallow. There we go, we're already confused. Anyway, we're going to be drawing something that's squishy and something that's melony, if that's a word. It's a penguin called Luna.
Yeah.
So all you need to get started is some paper and a pen and some imagination, I guess. Oh, and colouring. Yeah. Something to colour in with as well, that helps. Alright, so let's get started. So first of all, the great thing about these characters is that they're very easy to draw. First of all, we're going to draw basically like a giant oval. It's kind of more like an egg shape, so it's quite wide at the bottom and a little bit thin at the top. So let's just start doing that. And you can draw it quite large on the page as well. And you go around. There we go, very nice shape. Cool. Alright, so that's basically its body. And let's draw the details or face of Luna the penguin. Now Luna is wearing a scarf kind of halfway through the middle here. So we're going to start drawing a line and we're going to stop about here and we're going to draw a little bump because there's a knot. Luna's tied up the scarf. So we draw a nice line, we'll stop about here I think, and then we're going to create a little bump like that. Will make a lot more sense later on. And then we're just going to finish off that line there, like that. Right, so where these bumps start and end, we're going to draw two big lines going down here. This is the side of the scarf with the knots tied up. Yep. And then at the end here, it's kind of got like, you know, a scarf's got like little tassels at the end. So you can just draw that like that. Kind of look like little finger shapes. And there we go. Great. And then all we have to do is the bottom line of the scarf. So again, we start on this side here, just down a little bit, and we do a nice big curve up to the scarf there. And then we just imagine that it goes behind the little scarf that's flipped over the top and continues along the side there. Like that. There we go. Alright, so Luna is a penguin and penguins have a beak. And so we're going to draw a little beak in here. It's kind of almost like a triangle shape with very rounded corners. So we can start up the top here and goes around here. And it's got a little bit of a point at the bottom and goes around there like that. So it kind of almost looks like a little strawberry shape. Yeah, oh, that's pretty good. It's really nice. Alrighty, and let's draw some details on Luna's face. Now, penguins, as you know, they're kind of black and white, so we're gonna, or black and blue, or blue and white, or all sorts of colours. And so we're gonna draw some lines here to separate them. There, so we're gonna start one here. Nice big curve. And basically later on I'm going to draw some eyes in that curve there. Alright, and do the same on the other side. Start on top of its little beak and a nice curve like that. Excellent. Now these lines here, they continue underneath the scarf and come down here as well. So we're going to draw a nice curve here. And then do the same on the other side, but it's part of it's hidden under the scarf, so we just see a little bit of it there. So these will be two colours. So Luna's normally its body and its face is normally white, and then it's the rest of its head and the sides of the body is normally blue or black. Yeah. Alrighty, and then we draw the eyes, and Luna's got really cute eyes, really simple. It's just a little curve there. A crescent shape there. We'll just do one on the other side. There we go, and that's it. That's pretty much Luna. Pretty easy to draw. So next part is we're going to colour in.
Yeah.
And we've finished colouring in. And Luna, the penguin, is a very easy character to colour in. There's only 3 colours basically. Normally his body we've done it grey, but we've seen it black and seen some versions blue. And his little beak is always kind of yellow or orangey sort of colour. And the scarf, we normally see it as blue, but we've seen it as red and orange, all sorts of colours. So it's really up to you. You can really mix and match your own colours, and you can have some fun with that as well. Are you happy with your drawing?
Yeah.
Yeah, you have fun?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think you did a great job. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you followed along and had lots of fun drawing the Squishmallow penguin called Luna. Check out our channel, we've got lots of other drawing videos for you to follow along with and have fun. See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.